This video will introduce you to HTML forms and how they are used to collect user input on the web. An HTML form is a vital web development component used to collect and send user input to a server for processing. Forms are defined using the "form" element, which contains various input elements like text fields, checkboxes, and buttons. The basic structure of a form involves the "form" tag wrapping all input elements. Important attributes include action, which specifies the submission URL, and method, which defines the HTTP method, either GET or POST. HTML forms use various input elements to capture different types of user data. This video continues the discussion on the different types of input elements used in HTML forms. More examples of HTML form input elements are shown here. This code sample shows how to use text, password, and text area inputs, as well as checkboxes, radio buttons, and the select dropdown. It also illustrates file, button, and color input types. This code continues with examples for date, email, month, week, number, range, search, telephone, time, and URL input types, along with submit and reset buttons. The field set tag is used to group related form elements and typically draws a box around them for better organization. Now, let's practice what we've learned about HTML forms. More practice examples for working with HTML forms are provided. We will continue with additional practice activities.